everyone, it's Mary the Explorer, and today is the 80th day, and I don't know if we're moving in or not. But hopefully. So let's see the progress for today. The tiles outside is totally done. Hubby is sitting on the porch now by the stairs. And Kuya June is working already on that one. It's putting the corrugated wall for the counter. Okay. We'll be putting that to the top counter for the drop-down lights. Also, our breakers are ready as well.
Pungaw na!
Okay. Hello. Hello everyone, it's Mary the Explorer, and today is the 81st na, no? 81 days na. Ano, lilipat pa ba tayo? Hindi na. And it's afternoon. Let's see what's going on here. Kayo kati. Alright. Finally, Tatay is back! I miss your soul, Tatay! Isda! Okay. Okay, the stairs here is done. Bawal. Buti na lang, muntik nang humakbang. Sorry, tao lang.
Pabuyag na po ka, ma'am.
Hala, grabe si Tatay, oy. Hahakbang lang ako, pabuyag dayon. Oh, napay usang mangisog dire, yung saon naman mo, lupad na kuani ron. Oh, wow. Pwede dumaan. Oh, wow. Okay, hahakbang lang. Okay, Kuya Jun is done with this today. It looks better now. It looks good. Ay, kabayo. So today, I was able to apply for the occupancy at engineering's office this morning, as well as I went to the fire station also for the occupancy permit. And this afternoon, I was able to brought the fire people here to check on the area so they could release the occupancy paper. And after that, I have to go back to the engineering's office to release the certificate. And then after that, I gotta go to the power lines. I gotta go to the Noreco lines to apply for our electricity, because I did not do that from the very beginning. But that's okay. Hopefully, it's gonna get done soon so we can move in. But before that, I think if they are going to clean the area, I will be able to bring some of the stuff starting um, maybe they will be cleaning this on Wednesday or Thursday or whatever. So whenever they are ready, I don't want to rush everyone because that is very stressful, as well as I am stressed. So I'm not gonna do that because stress is not allowed in my life. So oh, I'm so excited, guys. We are so excited to finally move in our beautiful home. The Lord is so good. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for this day. And of course, thank you to my husband. And yes, sooner than later, we will be moving in here. And I am excited for that.